Hi, this train here is a 4687 American Flyer wide gauge. It was called the Presidential Special. It was a set with some passenger cars also, but this one, of course, is just the engine. I got this a while back and it was very bad shape, very rusty, did not run, needed to be rewired and re-wheeled, repainted. It's got some brass type headlamps covers, which were, I think, made somewhere along the line that were handmade, but I like them, so I left them on. Anyway, thought they looked kind of cool, and we'll get it running here for you. Passenger cars that it's pulling is from another set, but I think it looks pretty good the way it is. Anyway, thanks for watching. And, these are pretty rare. I don't know if I mentioned, it was only made 1 year in 1927. Anyway, there you go.